In this video, let's see how to create a credit card statement in Microsoft Excel. Enter the details like card number, card name, and the starting date to ending date, and statement date, card limit, and payment due date, and all the details and all the transactions. In this cell, we can just enter the card number, then give the card name, and the card period. Card period means the starting date, and the ending date. It means 1 month period. Then the statement date. Statement date, the last date of the card period. Then payment due date. Payment due date means the statement date plus 25 days. Then next, enter the card limit. Here we can give 50,000. Then total spend we can give last, and then available limit equal to the card limit minus total spending. Next, we need to give the transactions. So we can give the transaction date and particular, and transaction amount, and then last column, balance. Give the total spent, and use the formula sum for getting the total transaction value. Give equal to, and then link to. Select the first column of the balance and give equal to, and then link to the card limit. Then the card limit will display on the balance column. Then for the next column, give equal to and balance minus the spend amount, and just drag the equation and hide the first row. Then total spend, we can link from the sum amount of transaction and enter the details. The first one, we can give the transaction date and particular amount, and we can see the balance automatically reflected. It's also reflected on the top, the total spent, and available limit also reduced. And we need to fix a cutoff spend 3000. After that we need a notification. For that, here we can see the available limit is 3000. So below 3000 we need to get a notification. For that we can just go for conditional formatting and select new rule, and format only cells that contain, you can select that, and amount less than, you can just mention 3000 and format. You can just give a border line and make it bold and give a red color. Just click OK. Now we can enter one more transaction. So we can see the available limit, we can see in red color. Okay. So it's a time to top up the card.